Introducing 25 projects in 25 days of AI development, a transformative, hands-on bootcamp designed to fast-track your AI skills. This course is crafted for aspiring AI developers, data scientists, and tech enthusiasts who want to build a strong foundation in artificial intelligence through practical, real-world projects. Over the next 25 days, participants will dive into a project each day, covering essential AI techniques, tools, and applications across various domains, from natural language processing and computer vision to recommendation systems and predictive modeling. Each project is crafted to enhance your understanding of AI concepts while giving you the coding skills to bring your ideas to life. Starting with beginner-friendly tasks like creating a simple Python calculator, the bootcamp quickly progresses to more complex applications such as building spam detectors, image classifiers, and even personal assistants. As you advance, you'll tackle exciting challenges like building a fake product review detector and credit card fraud detection system, both of which apply AI in real-world scenarios to solve practical issues. By taking on these projects, you'll gain hands-on experience with popular machine learning libraries like scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and NLTK, as well as explore key algorithms and methods. By the end, you'll not only have a thorough understanding of AI and machine learning fundamentals, but also an impressive portfolio to showcase your skills. This bootcamp is perfect for those who want to learn by doing, creating tangible projects that reflect their progress. With each project, you'll gain the skills and confidence to build AI solutions, preparing you for the next step in your career. Ready to dive into the world of AI? Join us for an exciting 25 days of exploration, innovation, and skill building.